Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Taurus oil change light. To begin, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the run position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the directional pad on your steering wheel to navigate through the instrument cluster menu. Scroll until you find the settings option. Once there, select it, and then proceed to find and choose the vehicle submenu. Finally, locate the Oil Life Reset option. Once you've reached the Oil Life Reset screen, press and hold the OK button, usually located on your steering wheel. Keep holding it until you see a message like Setting Complete or the oil life percentage changes to 100%. After this, release the button. To finalize the process and confirm the reset, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off, then restart the engine. The oil change light should now be off. If the menu method doesn't work for your specific Ford Taurus model, there's an alternative. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then, fully press both the accelerator and brake pedals simultaneously. Hold them down for approximately 25 seconds until a message confirms the reset is in progress, and then complete. Remember, vehicle models can vary, so always check your owner's manual for the most accurate instructions for your car. Remember, regular oil changes are crucial for your engine's health and longevity. They help maintain peak performance and prevent costly repairs down the road. Always use the correct oil type and filter recommended for your specific vehicle to ensure optimal protection. Also, staying hydrated is super important. And for that, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you. Proper maintenance keeps your Taurus running smoothly for many miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.